Hey all, how's it going? Have you ever wondered what other career opportunities might be out there for you? Are you looking for a dependable, high-paying job? Have you ever considered a career in the high-paying construction industry? Well, I'm excited to be here with you today to talk about the many high-paying job opportunities that the construction industry has to offer. More about that in a minute. I've been in the construction industry for over 33 years, and a majority of that time has been spent on the government side, performing building inspections, and I am currently a chief building official for a jurisdiction in the state of California. Over the last several years, my colleagues and I have had many conversations surrounding the challenges we've been facing hiring people into our industry, as well as conversations I've had with contractors and developers who are experiencing the same issues hiring laborers, carpenters, plumbers, and electricians to build our homes and businesses. So I've decided that instead of just talking about it, I'm going to try to do something about it. So I am starting this channel as a motivational and educational resource for you to learn about the opportunities in the construction industry. Maybe you're in the construction industry and you want to elevate your career. This channel will provide you with the guidance and mentorship and resources for you to advance and be successful in this industry. Maybe you're in high school. Maybe you're wondering what you're going to do after you graduate. Have you ever considered a career in construction? Even if you don't have any experience, you can start in this industry as a laborer. And depending on where you live in the country, you can have a starting salary of anywhere from $30,000 to $50,000 a year. And if you have drive and motivation and a desire to learn, you can learn one of the trades, and in a very short period of time, you could be making anywhere from $40,000 to $80,000 a year. Maybe you're already in the construction industry and want to elevate your career. Or maybe you're getting later in life and wondering how you're going to continue to support your family. Have you ever considered a career as an inspector? If you have a few years of experience in the construction industry, you can become a building inspector with no prior building inspection experience, depending on where you live in the country, with a starting salary of anywhere from $50,000 to $80,000 a year. And if you apply yourself and have a desire to learn, you can earn a salary of over $100,000 a year on the government side performing inspections. And there are many opportunities in the construction industry. It's just not the ones that I've mentioned. On the construction side, not only is there a laborer, a carpenter, a plumber, or an electrician, but you can be a mason, you can be a concrete contractor, you can be a heavy machinery operator, you can be a roofer, you can be a window installer. I mean, there are so many opportunities and options out there. On the government side, maybe you've only been in admin. Maybe you want to get into government. Maybe that is something that draws you. You can become a permit technician with very little experience. If you are good with the public, you can become a permit technician in this industry with a starting salary of anywhere from $30,000 to $50,000 a year to start. And in some places, it's much more. In addition, on the government side, with inspections, again, you can a starting salary of anywhere from $50,000 to $80,000 a year. But if you apply yourself, maybe you want to become a senior building inspector. Maybe you want to become a plans examiner. Maybe a supervising building inspector or a building official like myself. Those salaries range anywhere on the higher end, depending on where you live, from well over $100,000 to over $200,000 a year. This industry is untapped. We are losing far more skilled people in this industry than we are getting every year. There is so much opportunity out there, and I want to use this channel to spread that information so that people know what opportunities are out there for them. in a career that has served me and my family so well over the last 3 decades, I want to give back. So I'm going to be doing many videos providing advice and guidance on how to be successful in this industry. Please leave me questions and comments. I might even reach out to you personally or use your questions to create further videos to help others like you be successful in this industry. I look forward to being your mentor and helping you be successful in this industry. Now, before I go, I want to leave you with some advice. Now, this advice is applicable to any industry that you're in. However, like I mentioned, our industry in construction is losing far more skilled labor than it is receiving every year. So the opportunity for somebody to come into this industry and be extremely successful in an extremely short period of time is exponentially different than a majority of other jobs out there. So if you have drive, if you have motivation, if you have a desire to learn, you can be extremely successful in this industry. I mean, as an inspector, your office is a car. It's like you have so much freedom in this industry. So please use this channel as a resource to be successful. My name is Jeff. It has been a pleasure speaking with you today. I look forward to speaking with you again. Please be sure to like and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any other information on how to make sure that you become successful in this industry. Thank you.